Okay, today on Answer the Public, we're trying to answer the question, why invest in real estate? Well, I gotta be honest, investing is good no matter what you're doing. If you're investing in real estate stocks, some people even say Bitcoin. I don't care what you invest in, but invest in something. If you're gonna, plan for the future, you should invest in something. I invest in real estate because I believe that real estate pays better. Just hands down. Pays better and it's less risky. The main reason it's less risky is because I buy income producing assets. I buy assets that people are going to rent from me and pay for. Their income is going to pay the note on that property. And if they can't pay for some reason 1 month, I will have some money in reserve, my income, to pay for that property. So I think it's a very, very safe asset. Now it can go down in value, right? Let's say you buy a $100,000 house, it could go to zero. But the most you're ever gonna have to put up in that $100,000 house is $20,000. That's the most down payment you're gonna be required to put down. So what's more risky? $100,000 of stock where you have to put $100,000 down to get that stock not down, or you just have to put up $100,000. Or buying a home where you only have to put up 20,000, 1/5. So that's why I like real estate. Now, the other beautiful thing about real estate is a lot of people don't get this. If the stock market goes up 10%, if you put $100,000 in the stock market and the stock market goes up 10%, you have $110,000, right? That's great. In real estate, if you have a $100,000 asset that you put $20,000 down on and it goes up 10%, you still have $110,000, same amount of money that you have, but you only put $20,000 up to get that $10,000 gain, maybe 50%. It's amazing. Anyway, for that reason, I think investing in real estate long-term is going to beat the stock market because you get a 5x return. Not only do you get appreciation, it's 5 times more than the money you put in it. You get cash flow if you did it right. And the tenant's gonna pay down your mortgage. It's like a free savings account and all. And you get tax benefits. There's like 1,000 ways that real estate is better than the stocks. I have stocks too, but I have a lot more real estate than I have stocks. Anyway, that's why I invest in real estate. You wanna know more, or you wanna tell me I'm an idiot, comment below.